Hello, my beautiful people. Just another quick one. I helped my pal photographer Candy out today in the rain, which was fun, as you can tell. And you miss. But yeah, I'm gonna leave you with some photos of what I did to help out my pal Candy. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Before I go, I've got to mention my next outfit photo shoot is on the 15th of September. I will upload that 2 days before my outfit, like I done with the other one. And I will see you for the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell notification button. And yeah, wait for my premieres and all that lot. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Love you lots. Bye!